Why do bad things happen to us all the time?
Will you quit complaining and get ready to fight that freak?
I'm not fighting anything with a chainsaw. I'd like to keep my arms and legs.
I told you your daddy was a scaredy cat.
You know, I'm really getting tired of your mouth.
Then come over here and do something about it.
Sorry to interrupt, but that freak with the chainsaw is outside our house? We know that, Sherlock Holmes. I'll be right back.
We're all gonna die.
You look ugly.
Where's Mom?